All right, why is this aluminum DIY craft foil flying off the shelves on Amazon? It's selling over 1,000 units every single month, and it's being rated very highly. So that's what it is. The fact that it's selling so much, it's also now being rated very highly, nearly 5-star rating. That makes people very confident to know this is a quality product, and it is a quality product. This comes in all different dimensions, as well as different colors, different styles. So depending on the style you're looking for, maybe you want multiple styles. You can get them all right here on this page. But I got the black one right here, and very quality aluminum sheet metal material, great for your crafts and your various projects that you want to use this on. Maybe you want to cover whatever you're working on to make it look the way you want it to look. You're a creative person. You want to do what you want to do. This is going to help you do that. Very quality material, flying off the shelves on Amazon right now. Highly recommend.